Okay guys, so now that we're done configuring our Git bash, we want to track some files. We want to track these files that we have here called Git series. Go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, all these stuffs are inside Git series. Then we want to be able to tell which part our Git series is in. So as you can see, our Git series is inside our desktop, inside our HP, inside our users. So we need to navigate to this our Git series inside our Git bash now. So to navigate to this our Git series, let's head over to our Git bash. Now we want to navigate to our Git series, but first, how do we know which part we are on now, which directory we are in now? To do that, you use your pwd, your print working directory. Then as you can see, we are inside our C, inside users, and we are currently on HP. So you can use your ls command to list. And then what are we looking for? We're looking for our desktop. As you can see, our desktop is here. So go ahead and seed into our desktop where our Git series, the file we want to track is in, the folder we want to track is in. Seed into our desktop, then we list. As you can see, our Git series is right here. So we seed into our Git series space. Seed into our Git series, then we list. As you can see, these are all the files we want to track. So go ahead and clear our terminal. Then as you can see, we are right here inside our Git series. Now what do we want to do? We want to make this our Git series. We want to turn it from a directory into a repository. We want to make it a repository. How do we do this? We initialize Git. Now to initialize Git, you use this command git init, and then you hit enter. As you can see, look what it said. It said initialized empty Git repository in this our file path Git series. And then what this means is that it has added a file for us. And let's go ahead and check back. As you can see guys, this is our .git file. This is a hidden file, so you have to enable it. To enable it, you just go ahead to go into views and then enable hidden items. So as you can see, this is our .git file. If you open it up, you can see all the stuffs we initialized. So I just going to head back. This is how you initialize Git. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.